For a normal conception, we all know that we need a normal semen count of 15 to 20 million. But is pregnancy possible with a sperm count of less than 2 million? Yes, it is possible with a wonderful technique of ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. We can select morphologically normal sperms and inject into the eggs of the female partner with a very good success rate.
Menteri rang bak kejela ulaong bak Sorkar jela kala ajeng menjer yaga Meghalaya Outstanding Sportspersons Direct Appointment Policy arhajar arpusan. Ban ai Kam Sorkar kinong iakob kiba khori Takma hai ki Lympung iakob iakob kibahaya. Ulaong balengba kani kamat rekam barok kinong iakob kiba Takma naga benta kejela hak Olympics, Paralympics, Special Olympics, Asian Games, ne Asian Para Games, Commonwealth ne Commonwealth Para Games, South Asian Games, National Games, kinyo ke Kam Sorkar batkan syong rukat kum kata kema ke bakiyo. Ulang bag Sorkar keladon ya kejing penkrek na kebentakan ya kejing temu ban ai kam kinong iakob kibayo kita kema. Bat unget scam bagani karai ke bag Sorkar kalashim kan ai mensim kinong iakob ke jela ban iakob ha kan National Games kaban wan kaban penlong da ke jela Meghalaya.
2027 Meghalaya is going to be hosting the National Games. So in order to prepare for that and also in order to motivate our youngsters and especially our sportspersons and athletes, so the government today in the cabinet has approved the Meghalaya Outstanding Sportspersons Direct Appointment Policy 2025, which basically means that all athletes that get a medal for the state in the Olympics, Paralympics / Special Olympics, 2 Asian Games or Asian Para Games, 3 Commonwealth or Commonwealth Para Games, 4 South Asian Games, and 5 National Games. So in these games, specifically these games only, whenever they get a medal, the government is going to provide a government job to them depending on the medal that they receive. So if it's an Olympic medal, then it's going to be a category A, and the classifications are there, which I don't want to give the details. But we have got a full chart for it, that who and what jobs they will be eligible for. And the government, as I said, has decided today that once somebody wins a medal for the state in these specific games only, we will be providing them with a government job.